Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you how to format and prettify your XML documents inside VS Code. So there is one such extension you can install, which is if you just write here format XML in the search bar. So this extension will come right here, Pretty XML. It's developed by almost 300 developers, and it's an XML formatter extension for VS Code. And once you click the install button, it will add an option inside your context menu. So once you open your XML file, if you make any sort of mistake inside your formatting, so if you, let's suppose I make some unformatting mistakes right here. So now the document becomes unformatted. So if you right click, it will add this option right here, Prettify XML. So once you do this, you will see automatically your document will be formatted. So in this easy way, you can format your XML document. You can see it can be unformatted like this as well. Again, simply click Prettify XML and instantly all the unformatting will go away. And it's a very handy extension. It will add this option right in the context menu on the right. If you right click, this option right here will appear. So simply install this Pretty XML extension. It's developed by this person and it's fairly very good extension. It formats instantly as soon as you click it. If you make any kind of mistake, let's suppose it can be a formatting mistake, simply right click and you will see this option. So instantly all the formatting will take place. So I think one more extension is also there, which is this one, XML format. This one also does the same thing, but I prefer this one over this one because I personally use it. So I think both of this can work, but I think this one works it better. It adds the option right inside this, so that's why. So you can decide which one to use. So in this easy way, you can prettify and format your XML documents instantly. So thank you very much for watching this video. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.